Hey, careful of the tree.
Oh.
I have a lot of bulbs on there.
Look what
50
you
years
did.
Where's yours?
It's covered.
White one, right?
Oh.
I'll straighten it.
Nick, I want to try.
Rachel, you gotta put all these presents in there. You got plenty of... Hey! Don't beating up the furniture.
I want to try it, Nick.
Seriously.
What? Now, she looked at me. Sorry, I won't pick it up.
I want to see it.
She's looking at you. She's like, why are you recording my distress?
I'm scared.
You ran it into the fan. Get it to the... Don't break.